कॉलिंग अटेंशन जाल्लें आनी कॉलिंग अटेंशन स्पेशली ऑन डॉग्स सगळ्यांक सुण्याची चिंता जालेली आसा मोदी एपिसोड सांगता ते स्ट्रीट डॉग्स आपल्या कॉलिंग अटेंशन जाल्ले हय
See, you know the dogs are man's best friend. And I love dogs, so I can't see dogs being hurt. Even if a dog is sometimes, very badly wounded, I feel pity for the dog, but of course I can't go and touch a dog. But I don't like dogs being out in the cold. Sometimes in Delhi, person I put like the whole this thing is put up for the dog, and the dog stands in the pavement of the footpath. But stray dogs, yes. We are having increase in the number of stray dogs, and that's what is a concern in the house, especially in the coastal belts where they are biting tourists and the lifeguards. And I have seen a natural tendency, dog sees a child and dog attacks a child. Normally, you look at this, you might have not noticed it, but when they are children, the dog knows that this child is scared of him. But if he sees a huge person, he never goes and attacks. So this is one thing, because sometimes भुरगे एकले वयतात इस्कलांक, and then suppose they are attacked by a dog, they can't fight that dog. So that becomes one area of concern. आणि तुम पळयला आसतले कितले पाटी आमी गाडी घेवन वयतात तेन्ना, स्पेशली 2 व्हिलर्स, एटलीस्ट 4 व्हिलर्स आसेत, ते सुणे सगळे होल पॅक कम्स रनिंग बिहाइंड यू, and if you try to stop you get worried that घास मारीत म्हण. So I think that is a real concern. I did not suggest to the house that every month gav shala dog shelter, kido dog shelter kitle gatle, then you must look after how the dog is taken care of, what food you are giving, who will pay for all this. Stray dogs, because at least cow you can see is brought from your municipality or your village panchayat. Stray dogs are just coming from one place to another. If you go to run and catch them, they'll reach another village. So who will have to be? The cow cannot run at that speed. So I felt that the government needs to do it. Another thing, I made one suggestion that to John Dittalya, because I know that it's not right, but hinga garbage udoitat, poti udoitat, te sune te hava hoitat maybe. Even cows are going to eat that garbage, which is very sad, because afterwards you find plastic inside them. So I felt that one step could have been that you designate a place, and if you have a place where you give food, remember one thing, it's not like you tell a fish to come here, but a dog will smell and he will come. And when a dog knows that I get food at that place, dogs will be at that place or around that place waiting, and they will know the food timing, so that they will come over there. That is in the larger interest of people. Then at least people will know, okay, this is a place where the dogs are to be fed, we won't go around that area. Because otherwise, if a dogs are everywhere and you throw food anywhere, sometimes from a hotel or restaurant you feel pity, you just throw the bones outside or anything outside. Dogs are bound to be there. So I think it's also part of our hygiene. Ami saaf करतात जाल्यार there are no rats, no cockroaches in our house. So same way, dogs will come only when you are feeding them. If you don't feed, they won't come. So I think that we also have to play our part. I can't say the government must do all this every time, but there is a responsibility on the government when they have this kind of program for stray dogs, for stray cattle. Then I think the government needs to intervene, because it is a major issue, because people can't go complaining we went to Goa and got bitten by dogs.
सर हांव स्ट्रे डॉग्सांचो विचारलो, थोडे ब्रीड इंडियन बँड आहा तरी सुद्दां लोक पोस्ट ताणें इन्सिडंट जेन्ना हायलायट जाता तेन्ना मेन्शन जाता, ताचेर तुमचें म्हणणें कितें?
हांवें पळयलां एक नोटिफिकेशन आयिल्लें म्हणून केंद्रीय सरकाराचो, proposal to ban, but no, and they recommended the banning, but I have not seen the ban as yet. If you have found it, just show it to me, because a list of about 23 dogs was there in that list. It was only a proposal to ban it, and not that it was a order of banning, because dogs are not, it's a concurrent list, so the central government cannot tell every state to ban. The state may have to identify. Two things I will say. Even coming back to this, but also about the stray dogs. तूं जाणा stray dogs तर पडे आमगे गांवांत पासून, forget beaches, but गांवांत तेन्ना तर पाटी they are outside the place where they will get food. They are outside the place where they are looked, somebody has some good word for them. Of course, they may attack some people who are bad to them. Maybe they have a certain bent of mind to attack certain people. हांव एक example सांगता. मोडगांव आसतालो तेन्ना एक स्टॅम्प वेंडर येतालो आमगे घरा कडेन, आनी आमगे एक कुत्रो डॉबरमॅन आशिल्लो. तो कोणाक मारनासलो आनी आमी सांगताले मुगे बापूय सांगता तो कांय करना पूण फकत त्या शाडल्यान वयता आनी तेगे पांय धरतालो सो वी नेवर नो हाव अ डॉग थिंक्स so maybe a dog may have certain fear of somebody and attacks that one person. Maybe the dog has been stoned by that person, so you never know how the dog is reacting to that one person. Sometimes dogs in the vicinity could be a boon or a blessing. When a stranger comes, which could be a stranger who's visiting or could be a robber, the dogs are alerted and immediately they bark, they chase that fellow. So it also becomes a protection which we don't realize which could happen. So sometimes that can be the thing. Now coming back to your dogs of these hybrid, you know I have a Doberman now who's gentle, who's very kind, but his grandfather was also my dog. He was ferocious. The grandfather was called Tiger. He never allowed anyone inside. Even at the gate he would put his nose and try to catch your toe. Like this he was. He was a ferocious fellow, but this Doberman is a gentle one. So you never know. It all depends how you bring up the dog, or maybe the temperament of a dog. It's not necessarily the breed makes him violent. You can train him to be violent. You can train him to be, tough. So I believe that it's not necessarily the breed. Of course, there are certain breeds like Rottweiler and all that, which they say are by nature only like that. Sometimes if आमगे आसा तो बॉक्सर आहात पळयला तेगे तोंड पळयला तो भिता पूण तो इतलो अफेक्शनेट येतलो तो जोडकी मातलो किस मारपाक तुका सो लायक दॅट इट इज
ओके तुजर वन मोर थिंग फाटले फावटी गव्हर्मेंटान रेबीज फ्री म्हणून मिशन केल्लें पळय तेन्ना वॅक्सिनेशन केल्लें रेबीज फ्री तांकां इंजेक्शनां मारताले एवरीथींग स्ट्रे डॉग सगळें पण तेन्ना तेंच्यांनी थोडें ऑपरेशनूय केलें म्हणून आयकता बट हॅव यू गॉट एनी
तें चिंचाला रेबीज फ्री म्हणल्यार कितें जाता ते घास मारतले म्हूण गॅरंटी घास मारपाक बॉम्ब करता म्हूण गॅरंटी ना आनी सपोज तुवें ते कॅस्ट्रेट केलो स्टरलायज केलो ते कोताले कॅस्ट्रेशन पळय यू ओनली स्टॉप द मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ द डॉग एंड यू स्टरलायज यू ओनली स्टॉप द मल्टिप्लिकेशन डज इट मेक हिम लेस फेरोशियस आई आस्क दिस इन द हाउस यू अंडरस्टँड बेस्ट ते हें केलें म्हणून यू विल बिकम परहॅप्स मे गेट मोर फेरोशियस यू नेवर नो दॅट
तर जे डॉग लवर्स आसा तेंच्यांनी स्ट्रे डॉग्स बीन एडॉप्ट करता जाल्यार कितें एक सोल्युशन मेळूंक शकता जे प्रॉब्लम
देखो हांवें म्हणलां ते एडॉप्शन मस्ट बी एनकरेज्ड लास्ट तुवें आयकलें जाल्यार हांवें सांगलें एडॉप्शन शूड एनकरेज सगळे म्हणटात हें करूं जाय तें करूं जाय म्हूण तुगे घरा व्हरान दवर म्हूण तूं घरा व्हरतान दवरता जाल्यार तूं भायर येनाका आनी तें दिनाका कळ्ळें न्ही सो आय बिलीव दॅट ऑफकोर्स दे आर जेन्युइन लवर्स बट डोंट कम टू टेक केअर ऑफ माय डॉग इन माय प्रॉपर्टी ऑर माय नेबर्स डॉग take the dog home, take love and affection, give him, and I'm sure that dog which you take home will also give you good service.
सर आयज जुलय 17 वर्ल्ड डे फॉर इंटरनॅशनल जस्टीस तुमकां कितें सांगचें दिसता
It's a very important day in International Crime Day because international justice is related to crimes, international crimes, whether it's terrorism, whether it is these nation, whether it is even money laundering, all these high crimes this is what the International Day of Justice is meant for. It is a sense to tell the people, remind the people that we need to have and live in an orderly world, that we need to know that there is a rule of law and that there will be justice. So it is like to sound everyone, don't commit a crime, you will also be caught. Not just in your boundaries, but can be caught outside your boundaries.
सर थोडे टुरिस्ट गोंयान येवन रावता तेंचे विजा एक्सपायर जाल्ले आहा तरी सुद्दां स्टे करतात तांचेर तुमी कशें पळयतात
So visa stay जाल्यार तें it is an illegal stay. So they have to be immediately made sure that they are gone back. एक पाटी हांव एक सांगता when I was public prosecutor ते प्रश्न आयिल्लो that there are people of certain nations who come and do drug dealing here. So I had asked on a request of the this thing called of the trade community, TTAG had approached me and Max Sangalole, so why don't you recommend that we deport this, even we are ready to contribute for their deportation. Magi when I talked to the then DGP then Sangala Maka आमी धाडले when he was in Delhi धाडले दुसरी सायडीन परत आयले दुसरी passport घेवन. So that doesn't become a solution. So sometimes we must see whether the person who is overstaying just because he's married, she or she is married over here, or because he or she has got a family, or is he or she is happily living here, not causing disturbance to anyone, or whether it has got other reasons for staying. If they are shady reasons which have criminal motives, I think those people should not be let free on the road. They should be kept in Agwada, now it's Kolwale jail. Free of cost, let them be there. They will not want to be there. They'll want to run away from there.
येस थँक्यू सर
दोतोर आनीक बीन आयज इशू घेतलो क्वेश्चन व्हरप तो लायफ गार्डांचो तेजेर मातशें
सो हांव कितें सांगूंक सोदतालो हावजाक लायफ गार्ड आमगे ट्रेडिशनल लायफ गार्ड आहा ते लॅडर आसतात ते बसतात थिंगा ते रेड फ्लॅग घालतात और नाल्यार फ्लॅग ना वी हॅव टू अडॉप्ट मॉडर्न टेक्निक्स मॉडर्न टेक्नॉलॉजी यू हॅव टू हॅव दो स्पीड बोट्स विथ यू सो दॅट कोण पावलो जाल्यार इन मॅटर ऑफ फ्यू मिनट्स you should be out in the water. You are not supposed to go and recover a dead body. You are supposed to save a life. So if you are going to be, today, you know, the tourist which is coming here is quite well built. Most of them go to gyms. Most of them want to venture in the sea when they have never been in the sea. It's different. Tourists also, I would advise them, please listen to this very carefully. Swimming in a swimming pool is different from swimming in a pool, in the sea. So don't think because you can swim there, you can swim here. There are tides, there are currents, there are undercurrents, so one has to be very careful. And sometimes I have seen people, when I was younger, when I have seen people coming from states we don't have water. When they see water, pani, pani, with sari, everything running in the water. Naturally, they are happy, they are crazy. But they don't know the dangers which are sometimes lurking behind certain waters. So I think for this, the lifeguards need to be better equipped. Because, so it will, then according to that, you have to have equipment for purpose of saving. Not the standard rope and this and that, buoy. There are many other new things and make it compulsory for them to have it. Because the day you ask them to have it, then I think you'll be able to save more lives because it's not bring dead bodies.
सॅटिस्फायड आहा आन्सर तुका गावलो
No. The answer in the house, as was being mentioned, was very dodgy, and it was neither here nor there. Tumka yaad astole that there was a time when I know that Congress government brought Drishti services, but it was opposition. They were in opposition at that time attacking it. Atache extension ditat tenka. So you're understanding what changed between this and that. Do you say that they are good? Then what are the parameters? What reports have you got? And they a question inside them. How do you assess what has been done? So they, with their submit report, do you accept it? Don't you assess it? Don't you examine it?
सो लायफ सेवींग सर्विसान जे आहा पळय तांकां अपग्रेड करपाची गरज आहा
होय देखो हांवें म्हणलां द ओल्ड स्टायल द ओल्ड टेक्नॉलॉजी डजंट वर्क आनी इफ यू डोंट अपग्रेड यू कांट सेव एंड वाय वूल दे नॉट अपग्रेड कित्याक ह्यो कॉस्ट कटींग जाता न्ही तूं सेव करता प्रॉफीट वाडटा तुजें आनी घालूं पडटा जाल्यार पयशे तुगे प्रॉफीट देंवतले. So I think government should think more of the life of the people than the profits which will be made.
आनी ऑपोजिशन एमएलएन जे टुरिजम मिनिस्टराचेर एलिगेशन केलां तुमकां दिसता ते की तुमचें तरी हें आसा
I think we'll have to debate on that.